What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing this fine, beautiful day? It is extremely sunny out here in Pennsylvania. A little chilly, but other than that, pretty freaking nice and just a beautiful day all in all. So we are on our way to Keith's Pit Stop in Gettysburg, PA, to dyno a ZL1 Camaro that came into the shop all the way from Virginia, like 4 hours away, 4.5 hours away. Basically what we did to this car, it was a completely stock car, has nothing done to it. We did a set of Cook's long tube headers with the green catted cats for it. It has a stock exhaust system from there forward back. And then we put cold Air Inductions cold air intake on. And we also included a RotoFab coolant expansion tank for the supercharger. So we got all that stuff on this morning. I didn't do a lot of taping of that, or pretty much no taping of that, because honestly, I've done a lot of videos on ZL1s getting headers installed. If I find one, I'll put it up here for you guys. You guys can go check out that video on us putting headers on a ZL1. Very, very simple job. Very, very easy job to do. Only a few hours worth of work. But I figured we'd do a nice little dyno session of what this ZL1 makes on the dyno, because I'll be honest with you, I can't remember me ever doing a ZL1 with such minimal mods. Usually the ZL1s that I've worked on are very extensive mods, cams, ported heads, ported blower, pulley systems, and stuff like that. This one, not so much. This one just literally, in all honesty, a bolt-on car, and it does have the bypass mod done to the blower as well. I have Zach over here, he's sleeping. I picked up my boy from school. He's going out to dyno with me. The customer is following me out there since he lives in Virginia. It's an easier trip to go home from Gettysburg than to drive all the way back to Ephrata, to drive all the way back to Virginia again. Anyway, so I decided to drive separately, pick up my kid from school, and then he's following me out there. So let's get going, guys. Let's hope and pray this thing makes some damn good horsepower. I think it'll be pretty interesting. Stock pulley system and everything, so it should be pretty cool. So let's make it out there, guys, and see what we got going on. Keith, what do you think of this beautiful ZL1 Camaro? Not bad. It's a beautiful car. We did some headers on it. Did a reservoir. RotoFab reservoir on it. We're going to be looking for 755 million horsepower today. Yeah. What do you think?
I just want McDonald's.
Okay. Anyways, look at them beautiful Cook's headers down there. Got the cold Air Inductions intake on. These guys, RotoFab, look at that. It's all pretty. It's gonna make 1,000,000 horsepower. And no pulleys or nothing. Did do the bypass mod though. Yeah. We got that done. So that'd be pretty awesome. I'm excited. You excited?
Very.
All right, guys, so we got done doing a few dyno pulls, a few tuning things here, and we're actually at, where are we at? Is that SAE? Oh, now you're on SAE. 549, 515 torque. Air fuel's really, really clean across the board, all the way up to 6,300 RPM. But it seems like we might be getting a little bit of tire hopping or spinning on the dyno, maybe. We're not really sure what's going on there.
It's vibration in the car.
Yeah, it's some sort of vibration or something. We can feel it in the car when we go, so that's probably affecting the numbers a little bit, to be honest. It's not a clean number.
Also, took it to 6,000.
Look, so about 6,200, yeah.
I didn't take it to 62. That.
Oh, you took it to like 6?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still making a little bit more power, but not very much more. Not very much more. What's STD numbers? So STD is 563, 528, 39 is what STD is. So we're gonna let it cool down for like 10-15 minutes here. We're gonna go ahead and get the engine cooled down basically, because it is getting hot. We're made up like, I don't even know how many pulls, 7, 8, 9 pulls, something like that. We are on about 10 pounds of boost too, so it's not making a whole lot of boost either. We did do the bypass model like I said in the beginning, so it's making about 9.5 to 10 pounds of boost and stuff. So we'll let it go down, see if we can make a little bit more out of it. Brady's cold, he wants to go home. All right, guys, we're gonna do a backup pass here.
Warm air up here in front of this fan.
We're gonna go ahead and what? We're gonna do a backup pass. We did find out, hold on, let me get this light on here. There we go, oh, there we go. We did find out that the reason why the dyno's all squiggly, I was talking to the owner. The owner informed us that there is a, that green tire goo junk in his tire. He had a flat down in Ocean City or Maryland or Virginia Beach or something, and he put that in. So that's where our squiggly line is coming from on the dyno.
I can feel it vibrate.
And it's we're feeling it vibrate and shake and stuff. So let's do the backup pass, get this thing off the dyno, see what our final numbers are. 174 temperature, buddy.
Okay, that's right.
So we are good to go. We're good to go. We're gonna make some power. Good run.
558.
558 SAE or STD?
SAE.
SAE, so 558 SAE. 523 torque, guys. We'll go out here and look at the graph here right now. 558, 523. So just by letting it cool down, we gained a little bit more horsepower. You know what I mean? So we're gonna take a look at the dyno. Yep. Oh, it went away. Come here. I got it. All right, so final numbers: 558, 523, 15 torque. Air fuel's looking stupid good. And as you guys can see, we still got the wigglies. It's not going to go away no matter how much we try. But there you go, SAE too, guys. Not too bad. Let's see what it made on STD. We'll go up here and change it. Cheater method. 573, 536 torque on STD. Not bad numbers. All right, guys, we are back at the shop. The dyno went exceptionally well. Very, very happy with the outcome. The customer actually texted me. He made it all the way home very, very safe and sound. Nothing popped up, no check engine lights, anything of that nature. And he was extremely happy with the power that the car made. I'm extremely happy with the power that the car made. And not too bad for just headers. Green catted connection pipes, stock exhaust. What else was on there? A cold Air Inductions intake setup and a Rotofab reservoir bottle. That's pretty much all that was in that car. Other than that, everything else was stock. It was pushing like about 10 pounds of boost. not too shabby, and it still made 558, 523 torque at the wheels for a 6-speed setup in 4th gear. So not too bad, not too bad. And STD, as you guys seen, it made 573 and 5 something torque. I can't quite remember, but there you go, guys. There you have it. Not bad mods to gain a few extra ponies and make a car like that pretty fast. So if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing, guys. Deuces.